Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Today is a very, very special day. This is our 100th episode. We're not visiting a brand new place. Instead, we're taking a warm moment to look back on how far we've come together. Over the last 5 episodes, Hannah asked for help finding a book at Barnes & Noble, ordered a burger at Five Guys, tried a fudge sample at Buc-ee's, ordered a box combo at Raising Cane's, and, through all 100 episodes, leaned on one trusty say that again phrase whenever things moved a little too fast. Today, Hannah sits with 5 little keepsakes from her journey, and we're bringing all 5 of those magic phrases back together, then watching her use her favorites again, in brand new moments. So get comfortable, and let's celebrate 100 episodes by reviewing Hannah's 5 magic phrases. Alright. Here's today's special plan. 1. Review all 5 of Hannah's magic phrases from her most recent adventures too. Watch Hannah use 3 of her favorites again, in 3 brand new everyday moments. 3. Take a fun quiz spotting her gentlest, most polite phrase. Every single one of these phrases is something you can use this week, in real life, anywhere in the world. By the end of this video, all 5 phrases will feel like old friends, ready whenever you need them. 100 episodes together, thank you for being here. Ready? Let's review. Here are Hannah's 5 magic phrases, one from each of her most recent adventures. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Could you help me find a good mystery novel? Could you help me find a good mystery novel? This phrase is from Barnes & Noble. Could you help me? Is a warm, polite way to ask for a helping hand whenever you feel a little stuck or unsure where to start. Key phrase 2. Is it okay if I get the cheeseburger with everything? Is it okay if I get the cheeseburger with everything? This phrase is from Five Guys. Is it okay if I gently asks for permission before a small request? It shows respect and keeps things friendly. Key phrase 3. Would it be possible to try a small sample of the fudge? Would it be possible to try a small sample of the fudge? This phrase is from Buc-ee's. Would it be possible to? Is the most polite, gently formal way to ask for a small favor, calm and considerate. Key phrase 4. I was wondering if I could get the box combo? I was wondering if I could get the box combo? This phrase is from Raising Cane's. I was wondering if is a soft, gentle way to ask a question, perfect when you want to make a quiet, humble request without any pressure. Key phrase 5. Could you say that again, a little slower? Could you say that again, a little slower? This is your everyday lifesaver. The one phrase Hannah has used most across all 100 episodes. Whenever someone speaks too fast, this gentle phrase buys you time, and people are always happy to slow down. See? You already know all 5. Now let's watch Hannah use some of her favorites again, in brand new moments. Hannah steps into a busy Starbucks to celebrate 100 episodes with a warm drink. Behind the counter, Marcus, a busy but kind barista in his 30s, moving quickly while still smiling, looks up from the espresso machine.
Hi there, welcome in. What can I get started for you?
Hi. There are so many drinks on the board. Could you help me find something warm and not too sweet?
Ooh, I love that question. Warm, not too sweet. How about a nice oat milk latte? Smooth, cozy, just a touch of sweetness.
That sounds perfect, thank you.
You got it. Can I get a name for the cup?
Hannah, H-N-N-A-H.
Got it, Hannah. This one's a Starbucks favorite. Honestly, you're gonna love it.
Oh, I can't wait. Thank you so much.
Anytime, enjoy, and congrats on whatever you're celebrating.
There it is again. Could you help me find something warm and not too sweet? The same gentle phrase from Hannah's Barnes and Noble episode, now used with total confidence. Notice how Marcus, even though he was busy steaming milk and calling out orders, still lit up and made time to help. That warm "could you help me?" makes it so easy for someone to step in and lend a hand. One phrase, many moments, that's the real power of learning it well. Hannah is at a friendly Trader Joe's, hunting for a snack she saw online. At the end of an aisle, David, a cheerful, easygoing Trader Joe's crew member in his 40s, calm and warm, is stocking a shelf.
Hey there. Finding everything okay?
Hi. Almost. I read about a mango snack online, but I can't find it. Is it okay if I ask where it might be?
Of course, ask away. The dried mango? 2 aisles over, on the left, right by the dried fruit.
2 aisles over, on the left. Got it.
And if it's sold out, the mango gummies right next to it are amazing too, just between us.
Ooh, good tip, thank you.
Anytime. Enjoy the snack hunt.
Thanks, David. Have a great afternoon.
You too, take care.
Beautiful. Notice how Hannah used "is it okay if I ask where it might be?" The very same gentle "is it okay if I" pattern from her Five Guys episode, and David happily pointed the way, even sharing a little insider tip. A soft "is it okay if I" gently asks permission first, and it makes people feel respected and glad to help. Hannah stops by a Walgreens to pick up a few things and ask a quick question. Behind the counter, Tony, a new, slightly nervous Walgreens clerk in his 20s, double-checking every step carefully, looks up from the register.
Hi, welcome to Walgreens. How can I, help you today?
Hi. I couldn't quite catch the sign on the shelf. Could you say that again? I mean, could you tell me if the vitamins are on sale?
Oh, yes. Let me just, look that up. 1 second.
No rush at all. Take your time.
Okay, yes, they're buy one, get one half off this week. Is that the one you wanted?
That's the one. Perfect. Sorry, could you say that again, a little slower? Buy one, get one.
Of course, buy one, get the second one at half price.
Ah, got it now. Thank you for slowing down.
No problem at all. It's only my second week, so thanks for being patient.
You're doing great, honestly. Thanks so much, Tony.
Thank you, have a wonderful day.
Wonderful. Today Hannah brought back her favorite phrases in 3 brand new moments: finding a drink with Marcus, hunting for a snack with David, and asking about a sale with Tony. Notice, every single phrase was already inside her, ready to use, exactly when she needed it. That's what happens when you practice a phrase again and again over 100 episodes. It becomes a natural part of how you speak. 5 phrases, 100 episodes, 1 confident traveler. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah wanted to ask for something in the softest, gentlest way, a quiet, humble request with no pressure at all. Which of these is her gentle wondering magic phrase? A. Can I get the box combo? B. I was wondering if I could get the box combo. C. Would you get me the box combo? Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the reason why, in the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone, and happy 100 episodes. Let's look back one more time at all 5 of Hannah's magic phrases. 1. Could you help me find a good mystery novel? From Barnes and Noble. 2. Is it okay if I get the cheeseburger with everything? From Five Guys. 3. Would it be possible to try a small sample of the fudge? From Buc-ee's. 4. I was wondering if I could get the box combo? From Raising Cane's. 5. Could you say that again, a little slower? Your everyday lifesaver. 5 phrases, 5 real American places, and 1 confident Hannah, 100 episodes in, carrying every single one of these phrases with her, wherever she goes next. If this video helped you review and remember, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. 100 episodes together truly means the world to me. And next time, we're back to a brand new everyday adventure. We'll step inside a real REI outdoor store to look at gear, ask about the co-op membership, and get ready for a trip outside. See you then. Bye-bye.